Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Care and Maintenance of Fabric. It is the chapter number 17 of Home Science book of class 11. So let us start. First question. What are the different aspects of care and maintenance of fabric? Answer. Care and maintenance include keeping material free of physical damage and retaining its appearance. First point. Removal of stain and dirt without damaging its color. Next is retaining its brightness and textural characteristics. Next is keeping it wrinkle free and add crease where required. Next question. Define stain. Answer. Stain is unwanted mark or coloration on a fabric caused by contact and absorption of foreign matter which cannot be removed by normal washing process is called stain. Next question. What are the various type of stain? Answer. There are various type of stain. First is vegetable stain. It include stain of tea, coffee, fruit, vegetable are of acidic nature and can be removed by alkaline medium. Next is oil stain. It include stain of oil, ghee, butter. These can be removed by grease solvent. Next is animal stain. It include stain of milk, meat, egg are of protein nature and can be removed by detergent and cold water. Next is mineral stain. It includes stain of ink and rust. These can be removed first by acidic medium, then by alkaline medium. Next is dye bleeding. It includes color from other fabric. These can be removed either by acidic medium or by alkaline medium depending on type of fabric. Next question. What are the various ways of stain removal? Answer. There are various ways of stain removal. First is scraping. In it, we scrape the stain with blunt knife. Next is dipping. In it, we dip the stained material into a reagent. Next is sponging. In it, reagent is applied onto the stain with a sponge. Next is drop method. In it, stained material is stretched onto a bowl, and after that we put reagent with a dropper onto a stain. Next question. Write the steps in removing unknown stain from fabric. Answer. There are various ways in removing unknown stain from fabric. First is wipe the stain with a cloth dipped in washing soda or detergent and water. Next is rinse well and let it dry. Next is, if any stain remain, then cover it with an absorbent pad dipped in alcohol. Let it remain undisturbed for some time. Then wipe the stain with a cloth dipped in ammonia. Next question. What is dirt? Answer. Dirt is a term applied to grease, grime, and dust jammed between fabric structure. It is of two types. One which is loosely held on to the fabric and can be easily removed. Another is tightly held on to the fabric and cannot be removed easily. Next question. How do water, soaps, and detergents combine to remove dirt from the fabric? Answer. Soap and detergent share critical chemical property that they are surface active agent. In other words, they reduce surface tension of water, due to which water soaks easily into clothes and remove stain or dirt from the fabric. Next question. How does finishing after washing improve brightness and textural characteristics of fabric? Answer. Fabrics are made in industry by machine. While preparing fabric, it get dust and dirt. After the manufacturing of the fabric, we have to remove dust and dirt through washing. After washing the fabric, we provide finishing to the fabric so that so that it becomes neat and clean. That's why finishing after washing improve textural characteristics of fabric. Next question. What is dry cleaning? What are the type of fabric in which dry cleaning is recommended? Answer. Dry cleaning is cleaning of fabric in non-aqueous liquid medium. Important difference between dry and wet solvent is that dry solvent do not cause fabric swelling, while water is absorbed by the fabric, which cause shrinkage, color bleeding, and wrinkle formation. Hence, dry cleaning is safe method for washing delicate clothes. Two solvents used for dry cleaning are petroleum solvent and fluorocarbon solvent.